Hey, how are you doing? It is your girl, Daisy Chiwako. Today, I want to help you out with giving you one exercise that you can use to start to help to build intimacy. This is particularly for people who have felt so far away that they're not even really expressing physical affection or emotional affection. And so this is one of a number of exercises that I give my coaching clients that they can use to start to just break down those walls of awkwardness, start to bring in touch, start to bring in some connectivity, and it combines the spiritual intimacy as well. It's all of that combined. Before I go ahead, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment if you have any questions at all, and hit the bell so that you get a notification when I upload my new videos. All right, let's get into it. Many couples come to me saying that they are struggling with intimacy in their marriage, and it's gotten to the point that they don't connect physically, they don't connect emotionally, nor spiritually. And it can almost feel like there's a wall that has been built up between you two, and you really don't know how to start to break that down as much as you do desire to. Now, there are exercises that I give to help my clients move past that stage and start to connect and remember what it feels like to be close and intimate together again, and start to build up their passion for each other. Bear in mind that there are 4 levels of intimacy, or 4 dimensions of intimacy that you need to be considering. And that is the intellectual intimacy, your spiritual intimacy, the emotional intimacy, and the physical intimacy. That's the one that everybody's concerned about. Now, if you want to build up the physical intimacy, you have to concern yourself with the other 3. I'm not going to teach on that today. What I do want to do is give you one exercise that you can use that will combine physical, spiritual, and emotional intimacy and really just begin to draw your hearts closer to each other again. So here it is. It is called the Sensual Prayer. The Sensual Prayer. Some people get a little bit like, prayer, sensuality, can those two go together? Well, absolutely they can. And I love this exercise because I just think, it's just so beautiful. Let me explain to you how it works. What we want to be doing is praying for our spouses, right? But a lot of the times we pray for our spouses and our spouses never really get to hear the things in our hearts, the things that we are blessing them with, the words that we are sending out to the atmosphere and to the Lord on their behalf. So what I encourage my clients to do is to start to pray in the ear of their spouse. Now, this isn't the only type of prayer you're going to do. Doesn't mean you're going to stop your personal prayers, but I want you to become intentional about picking a time or a day where you will draw close to your spouse. And what you will do is come close enough that you're cheek to cheek with your mouth resting by the ear of your spouse. You will either stand or sit holding each other close, chest to chest, heart to heart, again with your face resting on their cheek. And what you will do is you will begin to whisper the prayers, the blessings, the affirmations that you want to about your spouse. So holding them close, cheek to cheek, mouth by ear, you will speak those words that you want to speak over your spouse. You are blessed and highly favored, right? Your heart's desires will be met. You will meet your destiny. You are strong and full of wisdom. Everything you touch will prosper. And you just speak these words as they come to your heart, in a gentle, almost a whisper into their ears, and they would do the same to you. Now, can you imagine what it will be like being held close and to hold your lover close, to be cheek to cheek, to be hearing and giving those beautiful words of blessing and affirmation. Not only are you touching them on a spiritual level, hearing that you care for them on that level is going to touch them emotionally. And also because you are holding each other tight and there is that physical connection, then you're going to be getting that sense of physical affection and intimacy. Now, I would advise that you aim to do this once a day, or maybe every couple of days, but definitely introduce it into your everyday dealing with your spouse, and you will find that it starts to really connect you both on such a deep level. Now, you could even listen to this and think, oh yeah, a bit of an exercise, what's that going to do? But you'll be surprised at the power of your actions, especially when they're done with intent. And this sort of thing is breaking down the walls between couples around the world, and it's working for them. So definitely give it a shot. It would be amazing if you could do this for the next 7 days and then come back to this video and pop in the comments how you felt it was for you, how it felt for you, and whether you think it's something that you would continue doing. Okay, now if you do want to work more closely with me in building the relationship and the marriage that you have always desired, then definitely connect with me. I'll leave the details below and jump onto one of my coaching programs. To start off with, you can just book a free breakthrough call and we can talk about where you are in your relationship and where it is you want to go and what you can do to get there. All right, in the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you in the next video.